is another U.S. tourist arrested, or another U.S. tourist tried to access one of the most isolated tribes on an island called North Sentinel Island. And if that does sound familiar to you, you may have seen the documentary on YouTube about an American that tried to go to North Sentinel Island to spread religion to the island. And he was, unfortunately, he was captured by the people of the island and unalived. So that all of that is actually a documentary on Netflix, which is why this story interested me, because you would think if this guy here saw that documentary on Netflix, why would you try to do exactly what that guy did that got unalived? So let's I have a video, but I wanted to bring up the article so you guys kind of know what this is about. So U.S. tourists arrested after allegedly attempting to contact world's most isolated tribe. And an American tourist has been arrested after allegedly traveling to a remote island in the Bay of Bengal that is right near in India. I think it's a property of India. Bay of Bengal, and attempting to contact one of the world's most isolated tribes. Damn, man, that name. Okay. 24 made the illegal voyage to North Sentinel Island, home to the enigmatic Sentinelese tribe, on the 29th of March. Okay. Since we have like the premise of the story already prepped for you guys, we got the news story right here. Shout out to CBS News Chicago. Let's go ahead and take a look and figure out how dumb this guy is.
An American has been arrested in India, accused of traveling to a forbidden island in hopes of making contact with the world's most isolated tribe. The 24-year-old was found to be carrying a coconut and a can of Diet Coke when he arrived on the island in the Bay of Bengal.
Yo, Diet Coke is crazy. Not even like, you're not even gonna bring them the best version of Coke. Like, bring them the full, like the Mexican Coke, bro. Why are you trying to bring them Diet Coke?
He made the illegal voyage to meet the people there. That tribe has rarely interacted with the modern world, and all outsiders are banned from traveling within 3 miles of the island. Back in 2018, an American missionary was killed by that tribe after landing illegally on the beach.
Yeah, she even mentioned it. It's crazy, man, to think about if somebody goes to the island before you or attempts to, and he's unalived, and you're like, let me bring some Coca-Cola. Maybe they'll recognize Coca-Cola as a brand, and I should be okay. Bro, what?
Bruh.
Bro, that's crazy. Like, what type of logic is that? That's crazy logic. If someone was unalived before you went to the island, and you go to the island that someone was just unalived at like a few years ago, and the documentary is detailed on Netflix, bro, yeah. This guy deserved it, bro. This guy deserved to go to jail. Bringing him Diet Coke, bro. Come on, man. That's trash. That's trash. Okay, let's go on to the next story before we hit the main story. And I want you guys to participate in the chat when we hit the main story so we can start a conversation.